Supporting long timbers. Let's show you how to support long timbers along the length of your shipping container using the roof brackets. Here is a length of 6x2 timber, which for the sake of this demonstration we shall pretend is long enough to run the entire length of our 20-foot container. At the end of the timber, we mark the 4 centers for the holes in the domino clamp, 100 millimeters horizontally and 50 millimeters vertically. We really only need 2 bolts through the timber into the domino clamp. 4 is a little excessive, so we'll drill the top left and the bottom right. Next, we need to know where we're going to place the roof bracket along the length of the timber. The roof bracket needs to be located into one of these recesses in the side wall. So take the measurements from the center of the domino clamp to the center of the recess you want to use for the roof bracket. Then we drill 1 or 2 50mm spaced holes with a 12mm drill bit. Now we can attach the domino clamp into the stadium hole at the top of the side of the container and attach the roof bracket to the top side rail. Now we bolt one end of the timber to the domino clamp. We would now of course do the same on the other side, and now we're able to bolt the timber at the midway point straight into the threads in the roof bracket. You can make any adjustments you need to the height of the roof bracket by using the top and bottom set screws to move the brackets upwards if necessary. For this reason, you may want to err on the side of caution and drill your holes for the roof clamp into your timber fractionally higher than you think they need to be. You can use as many or as few of the roof brackets as you see fit along the length of the container, depending on your application, but I'd suggest that at least 2 will be needed every 6 meters or 20 foot, and potentially as many as 6 or 7 for more heavy-duty applications or where the material you're using is particularly flexible or the application is particularly prone to movement.